Hello everyone, I'm Nikita. So here's the most intriguing aspect for the customers of Amazon, which is Amazon Go. Amazon Go is a fully automated convenience store allowing its customers to buy their products in person as opposed to its conventional e-commerce nature. However, in comparison to normal retail stores, you do not require to interact with cashiers or a self-checkout to purchase items. So Amazon can do so using a new type of shopping style they accommodate using what they title as just walkout technology. I'm sure every one of you heard about this just walkout technology, where the process accurately described by the name walk in, pick up your items, and then walk out. In this type of technology and the process, billing is made directly towards your linked Amazon account on your smartphone applications shortly after you leave the store. So supporting the facility of the process uses a seamless collaboration of the most advanced technology used for shopping, which also is the same type used in driverless cars for monitoring and responding to objects. Amazon has named this as computer vision, the process of allowing machines to see what is in front of them and determine what an object is, and to detect when an item has been taken from a shelf by a customer who has taken it. This is combined with their sensor fusion, combining data from many sensors, weight sensors in the shelf to track individual products, and deep learning algorithms to support it. So to further support for the process is then required by a network of the information system, which is nothing but called as IS architecture, ranging from the data gathering foundation of transaction processing systems, which is called as TPS, to the automated decision making of expert systems, which is ES. So combining the three of them, the customers, while the customers entering the shop require to go through turnstiles, which can be bypassed by scanning a QR code from their Amazon Go app. So to ensure this process would simply require a TPS to record the data of who enters the store and associate that person to the Amazon account, which is then stored and modified as they shop. Next slide, please. So importantly, to add their just walkout technology, as I said before, they use OIS, which is Organizational Information System. It allows seamless interaction between the sensors and an expert system for the artificial intelligence, which decides the action of customers, whether an item has been taken from the shelf or returned, and by whom. So supporting the entire technology architecture. Customers wanting to leave can simply just walk out without having to use the application again. The sensors detect this movement, which again requires an ES to recognize an OIS to relay between each tech. So although many information systems is already required to run the store, it is only one side of the framework and can be inherently seen as a huge TPS system for the management side of the business to help further refine the system. So despite using this state of art technology and multiple well-designed information system architectures, Amazon Go consists of flaws not normally found in traditional stores. The main issue is that the requirement of the app to enter, and this inherently demands phone compatibility and battery charge. But Amazon states that there are power banks located at the entrance of the store, and once scanned through, it is not required for the phone to be turned on. So regardless of few weakness of the new type of shopping introduced by Amazon, it also generates a lot of advantages and opportunities too for the future generations. So the shop is designed towards being a convenience store as opposed to a supermarket, and is perfect for the people in a hurry. Concluding, Amazon Go is the combination of the impressive synergy between the technology and the information system support. Applied has created a new payment for the future of shopping and customer experiences. Next will be explained by Atidhi and Maitri.